वेलकम टू सारिका स्टडी एकेडमी। आज यूनिट 5 क्लास 2 का गुजरात बोर्ड का मैरीगोल्ड इंग्लिश मैरीगोल्ड यूनिट 5 जूम मैनर की वर्कबुक के सॉल्यूशंस आज हम देखेंगे। अगर वीडियोस आपको पसंद आता है तो लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करिएगा और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी शेयर करिएगा ताकि उनको भी इस एक्सरसाइज के सॉल्यूशन मिलते रहेंगे। ठीक है, तो इसमें पेज नंबर 74 है। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ABCD। इसमें फर्स्ट है डू नॉट मेक फन ऑफ द कैमल। इसका आंसर हम पे। द कैमल इज प्राउड ऑफ हिज नोबल बम्प। थर्ड, डू नॉट लाफ एट द चिंपांजी। फोर्थ, द चिंपांजी थिंक्स he is as wise as you or me. The penguin can understand the remark you make. Next, filling the blanks. First, the camel has a hump. Second, the camel is proud of his hump. Third, the chimpanzee is a wise animal. Fourth, the penguins can understand what you say. Write two rhyming words. Page number 75. Rise, wise, noise, pump, dump, hump, crown, crowd, crow, class, clash, blast, glass. Next, complete the word. Fun, 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 FAN, fan. BALL ball, BULL ball, bull, BAG bag, BUG bug, THANK thank, THINK think, WALL wall, WELL well, LAST last, LOST lost, TAN tan, TIN tin, LAME lame, LIME lime, SIT sit, SAT sat, TRIP trip, TRAP trap. Next question, write sentences using this or the. Write sentences using this or that. इसमें एक एग्जाम्पल दिया है, This is bench, that is mango। यानी जो हमारे नजदीक होता है उसको this लगाना है और जो दूर होता है हम जहां पे बैठते हमसे भी दूर जो भी चीज होते तो उसको दैट लगाना है। दैट इज अ मैंगो। इसमें फर्स्ट है दिस इज अ बॉल, दैट इज अ ट्री। दिस इज अ बॉक्स, दैट इज अ बस। That is a hat. This is a mouse. That is a fox. This is a kite. Next, page number 77. Name the animals and birds and write their sound. एग्जाम्पल दिया है यहाँ पे एन एनिमल ट्रम्पेट। उनका साउंड वर्ड्स क्या है तो वो लिखना है ट्रम्पेट। एन एलिफेंट ट्रम्पेट, काउ मूज, डक क्वैक, अ कैट म्याऊ, अ स्पैरो chirps, a dog barks, an owl hoots, a donkey bray, a lion roars, a horse neigh, a goat bleats, a monkey chatter, a camel grunts, a hen cluck, a crow cow. Next, page number 80. Color the picture and fill the blanks. Filling the blanks. The sun is shining. There are white clouds in the sky. There is a big tree. An elephant is standing near the tree. It has a long trunk. There are colorful flowers around the tree. यूनिट में फनी बनी का भी एक पार्ट है, तो उसकी भी हम एक्सरसाइज देख लेते हैं. इसमें पेज नंबर 82, राइट द करेक्ट ऑप्शन ABCD. फर्स्ट है, हु वॉज फनी बनी? अ रैबिट. हैनी पेनी वॉज अ hen. हु वॉज कुकी लुकी? अ कॉक. फोर्थ, लकी डकी वॉज अ डक. Fifth, what was the goose called? Pussy Wussy. Woxy Foxy was a fox. When what fell on Funny Bunny? A nut. Funny Bunny thought the sky was going to fall. Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king. Woxy Foxy killed all the animals. Filling the blanks. Page number 83. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. Funny Bunny thought the sky was going to fall. Funny Bunny wanted to tell the king. The fox ate up all the animals. Ouch, the sky is going to fall. इसका आंसर है फनी बनी said this. I must tell the king. Funny Bunny said this. The king lives here. Woxy Foxy said this to all the animals. Follow me. Woxy said this all the animals. Answer the questions. What fell on Funny Bunny? A nut fell on Funny Bunny. What did Funny Bunny think? The sky is going to fall. Whom did Funny Bunny want to tell? Funny Bunny want to tell the king. Who ate up all the animals? The Woxy Foxy ate up all the animals. Rearrange next. Page number 84. Rearrange the word to form correct sentences. Fell one day a nut Funny Bunny on. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. The king must tell I must tell the king. Fall is the sky going to. The sky is going to fall. Here live the king. The king lives here. Filling the blanks with correct word. One day a nut fell on Funny Bunny. He thought that the sky was going to fall, so he went to tell the king. On the way he met Henny Penny, Cocky Locky and Pussy Goosey. All of them walked along with Funny Bunny to meet the king. In the end they saw a fox. He was clever. He took all the animal into the forest and ate them up. Next, page number 85. Write two rhyming words. Crown, ground, town. Pillow, follow, hollow. Slouch, pouch, ouch. Dry, cry, try. Write the rhyming word by changing the first letter of the word. Example, fell, sell, tell. Town, down, frown. Set, get, let. Bay, say, day. Ring, sing, king. Soon, moon, noon. Tray, bray, day. Halt, tall, fall. But, put, cut. Circle the odd one out. Red, bad, lead, fade, bed. बैड पे सर्कल करना है. रन, फन, गन, सन, टॉन. टॉन पे सर्कल करना है. फैट, फैट बैट सेट मैट कैट, सेट पे सर्कल करना है. पिग बिग डिग पेग विग, पेग पर सर्कल करना है. दे वे पे में ले, दे पे सर्कल करना है. नेक्स्ट पेज नंबर 86. फाइंड द ऑपोजिट ऑफ द गिवन वर्ड एंड मेक सेंटेंसेस. गो कम, आई गो होम, कम विथ मी. हियर देयर, आर यू हियर अगेन, देयर इज अ ट्री. स्टार्ट स्टॉप, start you day with a cup of milk. Stop doing your homework. Long short, your hair is too long, life is too short. Bad, good, I often have bad dreams. It felt so good to be home. Big small, his car is very big, it is a very small window. So let's write 87 पेज नंबर एंड 88 पेज नंबर. ये दोनों पेज कर्सिव राइटिंग में आपको राइट करना है. तो ये आज का आपका होमवर्क होगा. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट पेज हमारा फन टाइम का है 89 का. फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स टू कंप्लीट द स्टोरी. द सन हैड सेट, द मून was shining in the sky, little star twinkled brightly, the dog was sitting near the door of the house, the cat was sleeping under the bed. Suddenly the cock saw a fox. Run, run, she cried. The dog jumped into the box. The cat ran up tree. The hen hid in the basket. The fox looked around. He saw a pot of water. The fox drank some water and left. The hen, the dog and the cat were happy. Next page number 90. Question 2. Look, listen and repeat. ये आपको रिपीट करना है. ठीक है, पढ़ना है. Write 3 rhyming words. Led, bed, fed, read. Den, hen, pen, ten. Bet, net, jet, get. Next page number 91. Question 3. Look at the picture and tell the story of the ant and the dove in your own words. Read the sentences of the story and write them in the correct order. ये करेक्ट ऑर्डर में आपको लिखना है. मैं इसका डायरेक्ट आंसर आपको बता देती हूँ. फर्स्ट में लिखना है, one day an ant fell into a river. A dove saw the ant drawing. He threw down a leaf. The ant climbed on a leaf. The dove flew away safely. The ant saw a hunter aiming an arrow at the dove. He bit the hunter leg. The hunter missed him. The hunter missed his aim. इसी के साथ ये यूनिट 5 यहीं पे खत्म होता है. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर, बाय.